So I got this table right here, and I hope that it looks right in my living room to go with my new beautiful, it's my table by the Drew Barrymore collection, the Beautiful collection. So it's the black wood. It's not the one that I actually wanted, the end table. I love how it's made and everything. Y'all see the price, $39. I want the one with the bigger stump. I'm going to say stump because it's wood. The base. I wanted the wider base, and the top was wider, and it was a little bit shorter. And it was $59. But the one that they had in there was really scratched up, and it didn't look better than this one. I went to 2 TJ Maxx's. The wooden one, now the one that's in the wood tone, is very pretty. The one that I actually wanted. In that style. Onyx, hold on, okay? So in that style, that one was really, really nice. So $39 anyways. I'm going to take that in there. And then the Afrocentric picture, $19.99 at Foreman Mills. So I got that. And that's for, that's for my family area. Hold on, y'all. Okay, y'all. So I had to pick my baby up, okay? So anyways, I'm in here. I'm walking in now. And look, here's the end table sitting here. So I kind of like it. I'm glad I did get this one. It's tall enough for the couch. You know what I'm saying? Because the table is already low for the front. But this is tall enough for the side table. I just wanted the top of it to be bigger. But it's okay. Because I really didn't want to put a lamp or anything on there. I just want to put something next to the couch. And I still got room if I want to slide that back and put a plant right here. Because I was really thinking about putting a plant there. So I really like it. Y'all loving it? I'm loving it. Y'all know I did the black and white last year, but not with the tables because I still had the glam tables. But I'm loving this. I'm changing that on the table, on the coffee table, because I know I'm modern glam, but y'all know I gotta have a little bit more glam to the table. So some of that stuff I'm gonna remove. Hold on a second. So this is what I did with the entryway, y'all. Remember my white vases, my beautiful vases, y'all. One came from Home Goods and one came from Ross a couple of years ago, and they were white. And I took them outside and spray painted them last night. Absolutely love, okay? Love, 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 love. I took this I got from At Home store years ago. I got this one, this size, and the smaller one. They both were white. And I spray painted this one black, and the smaller one I spray painted it gold. And I ended up taking this out because I hadn't used it in a long time. And I took it out, and it was originally sprayed with the shiny black. I just kind of went over it with the matte black last night because it was a lot of missing like paint spots where you could see the white coming back through. So I took this out there and did that last night. And then I had these gold picks, and I put them in there. And I'm like, you know what, pot of gold. And y'all know this right here was my first set of boxes right here. This was my first set of boxes. And I'm like, you know what? I have not used my boxes in a long time. They was on my bookshelf. But I have not actually used them. So I love my entryway. Now my vase over there, I'm thinking about moving it. But it goes with the lantern. I still don't know if I'm going to leave the lantern right here. Because baby, I saw some black ones, all black lanterns at Home Goods that I actually love. But I don't, because it's like when you see the other ladies, we all kind of get some of the same stuff. We don't know each other, but still, some of the same people watch us. For Lisa, that's one of my faves. She has, I want to say she might have the gold ones of the ones I see in black. And I'm like, oh my God, they like $99 and $89. And I'm like, I might still go back and get them jokers to put by my fireplace, but love, love, love. So this is really what I'm going for, but I want to still have the black and ivory look. So, yeah. Anyways, don't pay attention to the table because y'all know that's what I had on my other table. As far as the sofa go, I still got to do my blinds. I got to wait up to get warm enough to be able to do those. And look at, I got to wash that over too. Look, that's what you do with all your grandbabies. They love to be on the mirrors and stuff. But anyway, so far I'm loving everything. I went out today looking for a rug. I seen some with black. That's not what I'm looking for. With the black and gray or just majority black. I'm not looking for that. I want ivory with a little bit of black. So I haven't found that yet. And yeah. So because I was going to take my ball out of here. I'm like, no. That ball was ivory when I bought it. Like a beige color from the At Home store. I painted it gold last year. Because I had it by my fireplace. And then I took it outside for 2 summers it was outside. And then I ended up spraying it gold. I took it out of here, and I'm like, no, I want my ball in here. I'm going to bring a little bit of glam back in here. So, yeah. So, and I ended up bringing, this is what I did to the fireplace. I think I'm satisfied with it so far for now. You know, things will be changing. Look at him. He just taking the balls out of here, throwing them on the floor. But, this pot right here. Now, I bought that pot. It was gray. I painted it. I spray painted a matte white and put the rocks in there a few years ago. I'm over it. So, I bought a new pot for this area. I didn't buy one for my other plant over there yet because I said I might be able to just spray paint that one in the matte black instead of buying another one. But look at that. Just every piece of it. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that little 1-year-old. Ain't been one but a few days. Look at that. Look at that. Look. Just busy. What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay. That's what you feel like doing? Huh? Come on here. Just busy. No. Okay. Come on. So y'all, I'm absolutely loving my rug in here and under my table. It just brings the table out, the chairs, the everything. I love it. I'm glad I kept it. Oh yes. So anyways, from TJ Maxx, what else did I get? Oh, I got me another man cave candle, y'all. Normally, you know, the other one I had, hey. The other one I had was in the let me show y'all. Let me turn this around. Hold on, let me turn this around. This is so awkward. So y'all, I had been on a hunt for a man cave candle. And the other one I have is in the silver canister, which I kept it. It still got just a little bit in there. This smells so good, y'all. This smells so good. $14.99 at TJ Maxx. When I say smell good, smells so good. So I found it in the black because I was like, well, I don't have to have one so big. I just want a small one. But they didn't have one in small. But y'all, if y'all ain't got it, I told y'all that before when I got it. It's more in a manly scent, but it smells so good. It smells like that tiki wood one from Bath and Body Works. It smells so good, but that's a large candle right there. And then from Hobby Lobby, I got a flower pot. They got their flower pots on sale, 40% off, and then some of their mirrors are 40% off, and some of them are 50% off. Now, y'all know I told y'all I went looking for the big, large one. The mirrors that are really, really wide. They're shorter than the average tall mirrors, floor mirrors, but it's really wide, and that's what I liked about it. And those are 40% off, but the other mirrors are 50% off. But there wasn't nothing that was just standing out to me, like standing out. And I didn't want to go get a black mirror, but I would have got that one. It's $4.99 or $4.89, 40% off. I didn't get it before when I bought my furniture for my family room. I was like, okay, we got a U-Haul. I'm getting everything that I want to get today, you know. And when I went in there, I'm like, ugh, it ain't enough percentage off. Why they half off, you know? So I said, let's go in there today. And I was looking for the flower pots and found the flower pot, but the mirror wasn't marked down how I wanted it. But I still could have just got it, and I still may get it. I was going to go to Home Goods. I didn't ever go there today to see, what they had in there. But anyways, I'll go back and check and see. But this is the flower pot that I got right here. I don't know if y'all can see with the lighting. I'm change places. Hold on. Child. Right here. It's got like the ribbed look to it. And this was $24.99. I don't know what size this is. I can't tell right now. $24.99, 40% off of that. So that was the first thing I bought earlier. What else do I have? I think that's pretty much it. Everything else that I have is clothes and toys. Because I told y'all my grandbaby that's Cartier, the one that's 6 months, he'll be 6 months on the 24th. My son and his girlfriend, they are having a 6-month-old party for him tomorrow at the Children's Museum. So, anyways, I got to pack his bag up. I got it partially packed, but pretty much the rest of that stuff in that bag is his. So, I don't have to show y'all that. But I just wanted to share with y'all what I already got. I love that Afrocentric picture. I hope that it fit the wall like I want to, because I told you I pulled that mirror out of my room on the wall, from the wall of my room. And it was original, the round mirror, kind of looked like a sun. The one that was, I said, I bought it from Family Dollar many years ago. And it was like a light, like a champagne gold. And I ended up spraying it down the road to black. And I put it down there because I didn't like the other picture that I had bought over there. But it was like, when I go down there, it's like it's something about the way this look. I don't want this look. So I want pictures. I want it to be, you know, I know what the look I want. And with the rug that I have, I need some color. So, yeah. So I'm going to hang that picture up. And when I go down there to hang that picture up, I'll show y'all. But I'm getting ready to change this flower pot. I don't know if I'm going to complete the flower pot tonight. But because I was thinking about taking the rocks and spray painting the rocks gold. So I got some more containers of rocks. I might spray some of them gold and to put on top. But whatever I do, I'll let y'all know. I might do the white. I don't know. I'm going to see. But I will let y'all know, y'all. I got to get off this camera. This boy is heavy, okay? I'll call y'all back.